Hi, this is Queen T and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can become a part of my Royal Squad. If you're already a part of my Royal Squad, welcome back and thank you for continuing to support your girl. So today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm showing you how I got this color by using box dye. So if you want to see how I got this color, stay tuned. So here's the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a 40 developer, and I used 3 boxes of the Spice Red dye. I used the 40 developer instead of the developer that came in the box dye because the 40 developer is stronger, and I figured it would help lift the hair better. So here I'm just applying the dye and rubbing it through. I'm not doing it in any kind of order or anything like that. I'm kind of sloppily putting it on there because I didn't really want the color all the way through and through like that. I still wanted it to have some black undertones to it. So if you want to have the color all the way through and through, you can certainly take your time, party section, and do it that way. You probably will need more than the 3 boxes depending on the density of the wig that you're dyeing. So here I'm still continuing to apply the dye. You're going to see at the end of this clip, my camera died and I'm really sorry you guys. So you didn't get a chance to see what I did after I put all the dye on. I did insert a still photo of what I did once I had all the dye on. I took just a regular plastic grocery bag and tied the hair up and let it sit for about an hour to achieve this color. I think if I would have left it on a little bit longer, it might have been a more brighter red, but I was fine with this color. It turned out okay for me. And here's what the hair looked like after it was all dried.